Okay, hi everybody, it's Jill from FIGJAM. I'm travelling around Australia at the moment, so that hasn't stopped me from experimenting with some new products that I want to develop. I have all my soaps with me, so business continues on. But today, somebody had mentioned some stuff that Kmart had, so if you like to have a bash at making candles and you don't want to spend a fortune, pop into Kmart, because right now they've got some really good deals on. And I grabbed these because these look so cute. These are a shell mold for a candle, and they were $1 each. So yeah, I grabbed two, $1 each. That's just nuts. Even the cheapest candle molds from Temu are a couple of bucks, so that was $1 each. And then the other thing I'd been looking at, and some of them are quite expensive, so it'll be interesting to see how these go, are the candle wax, the dye. So you can, instead of just having a plain white candle, you can have this pink, purple, blue, yellow, and if you mix some of them together you can create some quite unique colours. And this one's really nice. This has got some neutrals on it, so I'm really liking this. It's called Peach, and the other one here, Rust. And then there's a really lovely baby pink and a very, very pale, kind of pale green. So they'll be able to make some really good colours. And then I just had to grab this because I thought, it's just crazy not to. This candle kit has got in it, it's got a booklet to, if you've never made candles before, the booklet will be useful. And then it's also got soy wax beads, so 340 grams of soy wax in this box, and 3 wicks that are the right size for the molds that are in here. And it's got 2 candle molds, and the candle molds that it's got are the green, which is really cute, looks like a stair and a doorway, and there's a wick for that. And then this U-shaped candle mold, and the wicks to go with that. And that's all in here in this box. And there's there's also mica powder, which mica powder doesn't usually work terribly well in wax from what I've discovered, but there's a mica powder in here, so maybe it's I don't know, we'll have a look and see. But $6, you couldn't buy the molds for $6, let alone the molds, the wicks, the wax to make them. So $6 at Kmart. So really, you know, again, if you know somebody who had thought they'd like to have a bash at making candles, or someone who's a crafter and you're looking for a gift, this is sensational for $6. Yeah, couldn't resist, even though I don't have a lot of room in the van to store all this stuff, but I'll hide it in with all the soaps once I make them. So yeah, so anyway, if you're wanting to have a bash and play with some moulding, then you definitely can't go wrong. The only thing they didn't have at Kmart up here on the Gold Coast this week was any bags of wax. They usually sell bags of wax, so I'll keep my eye out for some wax, extra wax, to have a go at some of the littler molds I've got. And yeah, so if you're looking for something to do, grab yourself a kit or some bits and pieces from Kmart, and you can also just buy cheap candles, the cheap pellet candles from, you know, your $2 shop or those sorts of shops, and melt those down, take the wick out, add your extra fragrance in, add a little bit of colour, and reuse those. And that's a cheap way to make up a fun candle for home with, they're probably mostly paraffin, so if you're not opposed to using paraffin wax, that's a good way to start off without spending too much money. So anyway, hope you have a lovely day, and I hope if you're interested in some great kits, you pop down and have a look at Kmart. Have a good day, and see you later.